From cableless code zeros to structured luff technology and plenty more, Doyle Sails are proud of the developments they've made in the sailmaking world. Now they say it's time for another. They call it hybrid and say it's a new ultra-lightweight product. But having announced it, they're coy when it comes to revealing any more details, other than they believe it'll be the next generation in lightweight sails. They also say that the tests are going well and that it'll be launched in the Grand Prix market first and then into the superyacht and performance racing scene. What they are keen to reveal is that they've hired Brad Marsh, the former technical director at SailGP, as their chief technical officer, and that he's been closely involved with hybrid. Given his track record on and off the water, along with Doyle's appetite for new technology, we're intrigued to know what hybrid is.
There's nothing new in water ballast on race yachts, but there's been plenty of development in the way it can be moved. Diverse performance systems have been supplying and developing systems for a wide range of boats, from 45-footers through to maxis like Bellamente. Their hull scoop valves minimise aeration at speed and retract when not in use to keep drag to a minimum. Their high-capacity pumps can shift up to 900 litres of water a minute, and a large bore crossover pipe means that water can be transferred from side to side in 5 to 10 seconds. Under the skin, the system is even smarter, with sensors that know when a tank is empty or full, along with knowing which valves are open or closed. The on-deck controls are simple for the crew to operate when it's all kicking off.
McConaghy Boats have been at the leading edge of raceboat construction for a long time, during which they've seen huge changes, but not even they were expecting what came next. As detailed in the CUP protocol, foiling chase boats powered by hydrogen fuel cells are a must for all the current America's Cup teams. Having instigated the rule, Emirates Team New Zealand led the way with the design and build and launch of Chase Zero, the first hydrogen-powered foiling chase boat, capable of speeds of over 50 knots and a range of 165 nautical miles. Now working in conjunction with Emirates Team New Zealand, McConaghy Boats are building a 13-metre version, powered by 2 Toyota hydrogen fuel cells. The VIP foiler has been designed to be built in 2 configurations, one with an enclosed cabin, the other with a cabriolet roof and wraparound screen with a bimini. And it doesn't stop there. A 12-seater version has been drawn that could be used privately or as a commercial high-speed ferry.
Since 2021, clothing manufacturers SLAM have been on a mission. Led by 470 and star world champion Enrico Chieffi, the Italian company has taken some bold steps. One of the first was to focus on working with some of the best teams in the leading edge of the sport. Here, the America's Cup is an obvious arena that Chieffi knows well from previous Cup campaigns. Today, the SLAM partnership is with Cup defenders Emirates Team New Zealand. Operating at high speeds mean that designing kit for those on the water is now on another level. Tight-fitting clothing is important in high apparent wind speeds to reduce drag, while being comfortable and easy to move in. Short races and hot temperatures were additional considerations, as was designing for the cyclors. Clearly not all of this kit will be suitable for the rest of us, but it's an impressive and demanding environment that will no doubt deliver advantages down the line for the broader sailing world.
Not all asymmetric sails are equal. Of course they're not. But as UK Sails explain, there are some key points to help get the basics right. The straight line measurement between the maximum hoist position and the tack to the sheet, and the sheet back to the top are the fundamentals. Every percentage point of difference between the mid-girth and the foot and luff lengths changes performance and ratings. The luff length helps determine the projection of the sail, another crucial factor when considering what's required for either windward leeward courses or offshore reaching. Then there's the fullness in the luff. A1s, 3s and 5s will be designed flatter. A2s and 4s will have deeper, more rounded sections. And these are just the starting points. Be it displacement boats, planing machines, inshore or offshore, understanding your boat and what modes you're aiming to be quick in is fundamental to success.
Sail furling is in Reckman's DNA. Their latest launch is a new design within the CZ range of Code Zero furlers with an angled drive. Designed to be mounted either on the bow or inside a bowsprit, the electric and hydraulic versions are both available with working loads from 4 to 16 tonnes. With no exterior moving parts under the deck, they can be fitted more snugly into the bow. A new chain plate attachment for their underdeck headsail furling gears is also available. This means that the load is taken by the bow structure rather than the deck, so no reinforcing is required. Reckman's in-boom mainsail furling systems have been evolving too, with drives that are at the front of the boom to reduce the loads at the gooseneck in the event of a crash jibe. The configuration also keeps the power supply as short as possible and makes servicing easier too.